Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you that how to make weight loss drink or juice at home very easily. We are going to share with you some natural ingredients which are going to be very effective to help you out in losing body fat or weight. So let's get started. Using this recipe will show you instant results. Here we have taken ginger. Ginger found to be very effective to help you out in losing weight. We have taken 1 inch of ginger and cut it into small pieces. Now we are going to add 1 spoon of cumin seeds powder, or you can also add cumin seeds in this. Now take a mixer blender, and in this you have to add a glass of water. After this, you have to add ginger and cumin seeds powder or cumin seeds. Now you have to blend them in the mixer grinder. Doing so for 10 to 15 seconds is enough. So let's get started. We are doing this for 10 seconds only. Now your healthy and best drink is ready for weight loss. Now you have to add a spoon of lemon juice in it. Drink this liquid at least 2 to 3 times in a week for best results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.